Hi, my name is Fan Yang, your Chief Currency Analyst here at ForexMinute.com. You're watching today's Forex video briefing. It is Thursday, January 15th, and we're in the middle of the US session. This week we saw some US dollar consolidation and pound resilience. However, as we get into the January 15th session, we are seeing the market resist a pound dollar rally. Now the 4-hour chart shows a bullish correction that started last week. We had mixed US jobs data, and then this week we saw poor US retail sales data, which gave, stalled the US dollar's advance and gave the pound dollar a chance to rally, a chance to consolidate or go into a bullish correction. We did have weak UK inflation data as well, but again, the pound was resilient in spite of that weak inflation data. However, during the January 15th session, pound dollar found resistance around 1.5250, and it kind of stalled there for a little bit. The Swiss National Bank made a surprise announcement that it was cutting its LIBOR rate from the 0 to 0.25 range now to a negative 0.25 to negative 0.75 range. It also gave up supporting the Euro Swiss floor at 1.20, and that shook the market and started a chain reaction that eventually dragged down the US dollar. Mainly that there was flow from the US dollar towards the Swiss franc, both of them safe haven currencies, but the Swiss franc had a cap on it, which is now removed, so there's that flow out of the US dollar to the Swiss franc. But we saw the US dollar, kind of shake a little bit. It fell, but mainly against the commodity currencies, and not so against the euro or the pound. Okay, so here we saw this shake. Again, failing to push pound dollar above or clear pound dollar above 1.5250, and then now into the U.S. session, we see the pound dollar falling. Okay. Now a break below 1.50, 140, 50 area should be a sign of bearish continuation. Though some might want to see it also break below this 1.51 pivot or 1.5090 pivot. Before committing to that bearish continuation scenario. Now, if it is indeed in a bearish continuation mode, pound dollar has the 1.5050 to 1.5035 low here in sight, with risk of breaking towards the 1.50 handle in the next week. However, if the 1.5150 level holds as support and price is able to climb back above 1.52, then there's still upside risk in this bullish correction mode towards the 1.53 handle. And that wraps up today's Forex video briefing. Thanks again for watching. Trade safe, trade well.